What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own. What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. Thomas promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Great! Super cool! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Great! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Great! Super! That was so much fun! Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's perfect. Excellent. That was a blast. Full steam ahead. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Right leads to the lot. Right leads to the left. Forward leads to the steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to the Sodor Steamworks. The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Forward, lead to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Lights out. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's the way. That was a blast. Full steam ahead. Choose a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Lights on. All my friends want to help too, so make sure you change engines often. Where to now? Left leads to... Forward leads to... Left leads to the pig farm. We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Forward leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go. Excellent. Just slice or tap it to open. This is your toy collection. Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Well done! We all love your train set.